Di para sa'yo.
Bakit? Mapait?
Mapait. Parang orange juice na may, siyempre may alcohol. Parang lang. Gusto mo? Patikin.
Ang sipa niya sa dulo.
Okay, Mr. Lagay mo sa bag. Lagay mo sa bag. Di mo naman kinain.
Ayun ba?
Ininom mo lang yung sabaw. Fish? Amoy lasang fish? Hi guys! Today is June 8th, Saturday. I'm just getting ready kasi we're going out. Magkakain muna kami sa baba, sa lounge. I'm here in my parents' bathroom kasi may walk-in closet sila. Tapos may pa, like, vanity here, which we don't have in our room. So, dito muna ako sa room namin. Okay, let's do our makeup very quick kasi may nabul kaming oras. Well, my hair is still wet. Like, I just literally got out of the shower. I'm going to be using this First Base Colorette Everyday Skin Tint in the shade Puerto. I actually like this. Before skin tint na ginagamit ko was the Vice Cosmetics, but that was a bit sheer. Next is concealer. I'm gonna put it a little bit on my eye bags. Tapos on my blemishes. Putting on my eyebrows. This one's from the Face Shop. It's in the darkest number 6 shade, like ash gray ba yun? There's a mirror here, so I'm looking there. And then I blend it with the spoon that it comes with. And then I have this Dior eye palette. But you can use this like as a bronzer, whatever. This one, I'm just going to be tapping on this brown shade. Konti lang. And then yung shimmery shade, I put it like on the middle. I'm gonna be putting eyeliner. This one's from Vice Cosmetics. It's in the shade Espresso. Little wing lang. I'm pretty sure hindi siya pantay, but like I don't care na. Next, mascara. This one's from Hair and Make. Then my eyelash curl is so cute from Miniso. And then for my blush, I'll be using this Get Ready With Me Milk Tint in the shade Macaron. To make it last longer, I add this Choo Choo Beauty in the shade and the like Miss Dolly. I add this one. And then I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna put lipstick na. This lip liner is from Vice Cosmetics. Perfect Kiss Lip Oil. Done! Bye-bye! I'm gonna shop. I'm gonna fit these two parachute shorts. I'm gonna fit these parachute shorts. This one's medium and small. Let me see which one fits me better. Sarap ba? Pag ito, hindi masarap ba? Parang ko nag-tequila shot.
Alam mo yung parang at least malamig kasi hindi. As in like warm talaga.
Gumuhit. Hindi kasi ako nagsusot pag nagtitekila. Wow, tama.
Wow, talaga.
Uy, no.
Wala mo dito sino yung bet.
Cash mo?
Wala no. Tagal, ang tagal. Hindi.
Ito?
Ano pa yung ganda niya?
Yucks!
Hindi, nilala ka pa.
Hindi naman sila gwapo eh. Ang gwapo ko si Bandos eh. Diyos ko.
Hi guys! So, we just got home. Ignore the fact that I look so haggard right now. Kasi, like, we've been out since like 3 p.m. and it's now 10 p.m. So, I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got. Ang dami kami kinuha, but of course, I'm just gonna show you the stuff for me. We went to the sale sa Bench Tower in BGC. And I just saw it on TikTok. And then sabi ko, ang daming like sale and stuff. So, niya ako si mommy. And then siguro si mama. Si ate hindi na siya sumama. But, so we just went there, 3 of us. I think we like shopped there for like 2 hours. Because it was like a huge parang warehouse sale. There were different brands like Bench, Human, Kashika, Cotton On, Ruby, Typo, Urban Revival was also there. And then Pedro, Aldo, and a lot of stuff. It's very like, madami talaga. But these are staples for me. I got 2 from Urban Revival. First, I got this pair of trousers. They're just basic black trousers. And, yun lang, walang fitting room doon. So, it was kind of a hassle for you to fit stuff. So, good thing I'm wearing a skirt and then my cycling shorts ako. So, I literally just, like, put this on. Kasi walang fitting room. One is 715 pesos. Dating 2495. Crazy discount. Kind of like a bag. I don't have, like, trousers like this. So, this is a good staple, especially now na I'm gonna go 3rd year, so like, dami ng mga business casual, whatever. So then, I also got this denim dress from Urban Revival as well. So cute, like, ganyan siya. And then it has like strings over here. And I plan to wear this on my birthday. This one is 895, dating 3495. We also went to the Bench flagship store, like a few walks lang. We originally just wanted to go there kasi gusto namin bumili ng inner shirt for daddy. But may nakita kami doon na bikini. Initially, I did not really like it kasi I don't like the having like a design. Gusto ko lang naka-plain. But like, it was $279. So, I got a, ko na. Lang siya. It's just yellow. And then may BP21 design. I'm not happy about it. Kasi gusto ko na plain. But I just got it kasi $279 na lang siya. So, ganyan lang siya. So, we also got the matching shorts for it. It's also yellow. And then, it also has this pouch, which is natatanggal. I'm pretty sure you can like add whatever here, but maybe dito nilalagay yung bikini. So, like, imagine all of this, 279 pesos. Yeah, feel ko summer pa rin, kahit tag-ulan na, it's already June. I don't know if I've uploaded this, tas ongoing pa yung sale. But, June 29 yung ending.
Grabe yung ano ko, ties ko nagdidikit.
Ulit, 7 km.
Wala pa tayong gano'n yung mga video-video. 1 km? 1 km. 2 km? 2 km. Watch out for our new hobby.
Hey guys, naka 7 km kami today.
Woohoo!
Propose yan ah.
Thank you so much sa mga,
Thank you so much.
yung mga nag-workout talaga.
Yes, sa mga supporters din namin.
Wala.
Sa mga fans namin.
Yung mga taing natapakan.
Uy, pero gusto ko talaga mag-badminton sa DA. O tara, kailan? Kailan? Bukas?
Ay, si athletic person. Dapat nga nagpa-practice tayo ng sabay tayo eh.
What do you mean?
Sabay tayo tatakbo sa Sunday.
Oo nga pala. Meron
Yung dad niya, Ironman yata.
Ah, talaga?
Talaga? Sa Marvel?
Ah, talaga. Taste test ng cookie ni Nico. Thank you. Perfect. I know. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng binig mo ah. Wala ko ito. Wala ko ano ako sa pinabibigay.
Sa'yo, 3. Tig-isa nga kayo dyan, nagpapit.
Ay, marami. Kasi daming white sugar. Ito.
Legit, ganyan siya kanina.
Hair, Dermacy Soap, Pond's Dear Face, Metrophoto for Brand.
Ito pa lang? 3 na yun? Talaga? Four km. Ash. Going ni coach.
43 minutes?
60 coach eh.
Ulit.
Boxing. Ano to?
Kojic.
Kojic. SPS 15. Ay. May sabon ako.
Wala
Pure
akong
Organic Ginger Calming and Revitalizing Soap.
Wala akong sabon, guys.
Ano to? Scent Therapy Energize Roll-On Care.
Ay, yung ginaganon.
Pond's Facial Foam Day Cream.
Ano yung ginawa nila? Cleanse, moisturize.
Cleanse, moisturize. And then, weight gain drink. And then yung drawstring. Thank you so much.
Hi!
How about me? I'm gonna say hello.
Mataas yung, wait lang. Yan mo, ikot mo to tapos, good. Parang nag-summer.
Guys, tingnan nyo.
Oh my God. Shopping spree.
Kailangan. Ang daming kinuha.
Grabe na to. Sige, magpakahirap yung buhatin na yan.
Ako isa lang kinuha ko.
Itaisin ko lang yung ano.
Paano ko siya kita?
Baba. As in, super baba na.
May kita ba kami?
Girl, wait lang.
Wait, wala pa. Yan yun. Ano 6 cut ba 8?
8. Para madami. Para kata yung...
Baka pala yung 8.
Ito na lang, girl. Peke ata. Uy, dahil niya sa big bag.
Wait, kailangan ito matangkad.
Hindi ko kaya. Ito na yung matangkad ko.
Dito ka na.
Girls a little bit fatter.
Top daughters. Si Owie dyan. Ayan yung TikTok expert. Oo. Okay, tama. Mga to.
Cause I'm getting used to not
Dun ba?
getting over that. Won't you be my Valentine? Not